Omahene ya adubuache. Atabe ma mejuzu.
Now put him to say.
Pedi ampo adarama or the enenswa family.
But I ma yeah nyanti asenra yewra chama wuntumi enam kwan so okosia CID na. Iyokufo ehia no se omne ne won senkaye bi chene koi. Yes, during interrogation no the ho dodo no ntino monyanti yese ye ne ko asopiti. Anope ye busa yesi besi sa amre. Ye nte baby a asopiti kro wo mochini nkran nyina. Now, what is the latest this morning concerning chairman? Want to me Asante Mantem Titania or the new patriotic party?
That's it. My then say na. I police ID to inside the fair. Ashanti regional chairman tell my want to me. Now Juada Okoye. Momutu na no. Movie omo de kata akwa betuja. Say omo ye hwehwe movie. Hwehwe mu say about illegal mining, Galamsey himself, and a demon so no were quiet bima na unkuto to me. Nina also no, Chema won't to me, excess again of credit biarada, into Muku, and man bill. Man bill, no, say, reporting a mere admirer, 3 p.m. And not 3 p.m. no, or report here, when in or ribbon who crowd. We are or trying to come old oko. Now, pickups bear 4. Mema gumbebre o ma shesha match to 2 ama crossing atwe no de na wura pick up mo se o mo de ko yoko di nyanti na se eni nyanti kwa na me minu general secretary ni ye meeting kaka nje ja bi bia ana uha ye ko yoko yeduru o mo mi hu no ye mi hu no o mo mi hu no ye mi hu no ana nyanti ese omututu na no na ne lawyer kan ho lawyer and appear could be it is our case on here a lawyer for bi o me yaso ate you know it now from 4 p.m. na kusi be 10 p.m. there na say ye wo oho actually na hu say ha bi apia at this speed ko ni hu say lawyer and appear could be so apia ba o trim say everyone to turn na or say no do no so in the hospital na je no kwa nse nkomo ne ko bank hospital na ne wonya ntia wonya ne se omo de ne ko 37 no mo wo NI before medical facility bi wo ho omo de no akoko sila na yenya sa ntia no na ene no omo ye se onfa sureties bi numra na on be meet bill conditions no omo man bill ebe na Omahina some kakra me kan fa ho ne se Yewa Mahama me nyi se ebra oba program oba eye Omahine ya odubu ache ho e wo sompa ebe ka che ne se me ba mema emranti ehye max ekutekute tu na acheche nkofo a ka Ghana fo ni beden Yewa Mahama nya sa engineer to aba na de ma ho ye di ka se MPP we are going to cooperate fully with any investigation. If you remove the court to be MPP, ebe boa manako so na momo no. Sa Rambo style arrest as an action movie arrest. Basa tantan ayema Ghana hinano. Say eneve nano adento committee abrante ono troka ta de kuma president. Now the duty about when fi ni yire ne ma ne maame wo ho si akotrem. It was such a useless arrest. Unyo kataki di ofri school eba ni abekose no domi ha ya ye de ko ya chine twice go na ka be dia very useless eba sa ema Ghana eni munyama ye nya o kemo ntem bia mamu no e na ekoneti the dia about Ghana will be in the news for the wrong reasons but the dia nanka eni ma bi wo wa so ntiti kan waso e na dia kan no ga afre mi ngie kan se bofo Oko yokwe enema yete omode ball na omohwehwehwe mu omoso ba ko akwakoje loan wo Exim Bank. Since when obi kwaje loan e wo bank a ebe keme na mata. Nene lawyer kwedum komo yesi ele kwa na Exim Bank ko no kwa dia kokota. Yesi ne ko so mo de responses bi kwa eko. Se no kwa wo court dada.
Na se Exim Bank kwa afi no mo de edin ne court. It is not criminal, it becomes a civil matter.
Civil matter.
So why the arrest?
almost say tax evasion be and almost say money laundering. You will pumpa. Omampeni ankasa ni nua Ibrahim Mahama. Ebra MPP ba Benmu ni hu say airport. A tobi also to the tune of about 15 million Ghana cedis.
That's right.
Utia. Any young for 2 years to cancel your question on that be. China Sanga. Where Ebra Merchant Bank, Ebu, Nebe UMB Bank. Oba Kaiser Bank na ankasa no publish or more do moka. Now you're Ibrahim Mahama do moka 40 million. Okay.
40 million Ghana cedis.
Yes, when the day a two and a man call you Ibrahim Mahama.
Even UT Bank crowd publish a car no dinner and
we a businessman, only banks and the AD down. What the Bosia had to run with you, ma? Now they are supporting ones who do my you know, that is why banks exist in any way. One of their core mandates is to facilitate business. And they know they are since one a bear criminal matter. Say tax evasion. And proclaim he any problem. Who you should move crambona. Don't suffer any panopaboko. And Bambi Bujasa. Now the the two. I'm not saying, yeah, you did now. You put it to Gutafi. You will be able to do. I know it's the 20 now, no more. It's the 22 bomb, and that did not scare the young men in the party form about the 20 year court. Now. And this will not score any political points for President Mahama. Look, if President Mahama wants to be uncomfortable, we will make him more uncomfortable. He wants to be uncomfortable because opposition party here. That they who had the 2 years on, sir. Who am I? Let's go, mine. Near Asamaya walk up on Ebeka. Bokuna is for your family. I have not seen this energy redirected by the Kopoko. It's from you, you come. Now, Captain Mahama, you come, ya. Look at how security for any prayer and me. Omunya Jeta court money at daddy. You boko, you didn't share my own crime, and it's a energy. It's a needless show of web on the other. You emphasize energy, no Konan Kayama Boko around you.
Etimi Pacho, I no pay much chama to minka.
I no pay maintaining car. Na ni minimum se ombekwa omuju medino so na me aduma ene omema ne bill omaka ten lawyer for so on facilities me nre ombe mi
na just say ne ho ye
e di say no ye
okay all right na watch me da ase anope
okay